You've probably heard of multi-factor authentication, or MFA. But what exactly is it? MFA is where you must use a second device to prove it's really you logging in. Perhaps it's a code texted to your phone or a link emailed to you. Most often, you generate a login code using a special app. The idea is to protect all your accounts. Even if someone knows your email and password, this extra layer of security means they can't log in unless they also have your second device. As hackers get smarter and smarter, MFA is no longer a nice-to-have. It's becoming a basic and standard security step to protect your business's data. Yes, your staff may complain about it now and then, but you can tell them that the minor disruption of generating a code a few times a day is nothing compared to the hell of being hacked and potentially losing weeks of productive time. MFA is really simple to set up for most applications. If you're not already using it, we recommend you get started immediately. Want us to do that for you? Just get in touch.